Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Beetroot Chapati. Beetroot is packed with full of antioxidants, high source of vitamin B6, iron, calcium, magnesium and zinc. Beetroots are rich source of iron and prevents anemia. So in this lockdown period, you can try this recipe. Take a beetroot and peel off the outer skin and cut into small pieces and grind it into a fine paste. Do not add water while grinding. Now take 3 to 4 cups of wheat flour and a pinch of salt and 1 spoon of oil to it and mix it well. Now add the fine beetroot paste to the flour. Do not add water to the flour. The water content in the beetroot is more than enough for the dough to stay together. Now apply a half spoon of oil to the dough and cover it with the lid. After half an hour, open the lid and make chapati. You need not worry about the shape and texture of the chapatis. It is effortless and it comes like a normal chapati. Now heat a pan and pour a spoon of oil and add the chapati to the pan. Press the chapati evenly on all the sides and add a spoon of oil when needed. It is very simple recipe and beetroot is packed with vitamin B6 which supports metabolism and helps in red blood cells protection. It helps to reduce your blood pressure and inflammation. Phosphorus in beetroot is an essential nutrient for teeth, bones and cell repair. Copper, which plays a role in making collagen, maintaining bones and blood cells and supporting immune function systems. If you feel like adding a twist to this recipe, you can try beetroot poori as well. It is absolutely delicious. This dish is incomplete without a gravy by its side. Let's do potato curry. I will give you a secret tip to taste like restaurant style potato curry. Take 2 large size onions and cut into thin slices as shown. Onions will cook perfectly if you cut evenly like this. Now take 2 medium sized potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Heat a pan and add 2 spoons of oil. Now add a pinch of cumin and mustard seeds. Leave it in the pan until they crackle. And add a spoon of gram dal. Don't burn the dal. Now add 1 chopped onion and saute it until it is golden brown. Close the lid so that the onion will cook evenly. Meanwhile, I will show you a secret tip. Take 2 spoons of wheat flour and mix it well with water. It should be in this consistency. And keep this liquid aside. Now add 2 medium-sized green chili and add the potatoes. Let it cook for 10 more minutes. Add a half spoon of turmeric if you like and do not add any masala to this gravy. After 10 minutes, add the wheat flour mix to the curry and mix it well. Let the curry cook for 10 more minutes. Now close the lid. Finally, after some time, add some chopped coriander leaves to the curry. Our restaurant style potato curry is done. This curry is a perfect side dish for beetroot chapati and beetroot poori as well. Try this recipe in your house and share your comments below. Share this with your friends who are beetroot lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications if I post new videos. Stay safe, bye bye, take care.